Hello aspirants, looking at important headlines from the Hindu newspaper for 31st July. On the front page you have this news: over 40 lakh left out of draft NRC in Assam. So National Register of Citizens, we have been discussing it for quite some time now. So it has finally, the draft has been published now, and it is said 40 lakh are out of it. So this is also presently a draft. A final NRC list will be published on 31st December 2018 as has been decided presently. The next is Stop Choksi's Travels, India tells Antigua. So this is again a relation between India and other countries in context of an economic offences fugitive. So we have seen fugitive economic offences bill also being passed. So this is Mr. Choksi, who is uncle of Nirav Modi and is wanted in the PNB scam, Punjab National Bank scam. Then next is, why no arrests in Manipur killing? Supreme Court asks CBI chief. So this is regarding custodial deaths, also encounter deaths which have taken place in Manipur, and CBI is being questioned by Supreme Court that why arrests have not been made in these cases. Then on page 5 you have this news regarding the Idukki Dam here in Kerala, which is at danger levels now because of heavy rains. And this is expedite Kappu quota bill, TDP. So this is Telugu Desam Party demanding for reservations quota for Kappu. So you should know about such demands too. Then on page 7 you have this news: leg up for private sector participation in defense equipment manufacturing. So such news is coming to the fore presently. Yesterday too there were 2 news items. Even on Sunday there was a news. So this is important: private sector participation in defense in India. So this is there. And this is ban on oxytocin. Doctors feel pinch. So oxytocin is required, a hormone which is needed for pregnant women too, and it is misused on cattle too. So this ban on oxytocin which has been imposed is affecting the doctors and needs of pregnant women. Then this is Supreme Court slams custom of genital mutilation. So this genital mutilation case is before the Supreme Court. So Supreme Court is hearing this matter. And this is women rice farmers to be trained in Philippines. So this is International Rice Research Institute which is there in Philippines. So women farmers from India would be trained there on various aspects of cropping. So this is important with respect to agriculture. Then on the editorial page, the first editorial, a good beginning. So this is regarding the data protection law. So this is important. And this is a result foretold. So this is regarding elections in Cambodia and the results. The lead article, the narrow and the transformative. So this is regarding Supreme Court, how it is hearing various cases of importance and cases which are at the heart of cultural wars. Then next is the Big 5 at 10. So this is regarding the BRICS summit. This is important. And then on the op-ed page 2 you have important coverage. So various bills are being passed presently. So these bills are also being covered in the op-ed page. So here you can see a balancing act. So this is regarding Prevention of Corruption Act. So the amendments proposed to it also are being discussed here. The case for increasing the retirement age of judges, because we see the courts are overloaded with backlogs. So that is why this is a suggestion being made. Then on page 10, you have this news: sex workers won't be criminalized. So this is regarding anti-human trafficking bill before the Lok Sabha, and which has been passed by the Lok Sabha actually. And second is bill to seek death for lynching. So this is another bill being proposed. Here there's a bill, Lok Sabha passes bill on rape punishment. So POCSO we have seen. So there is a need for POCSO Act to be amended too, and the Criminal Law Amendment Bill 2018 has also been proposed for death for raping girls under 12. So this bill has been passed presently. Then this is Center for Removal of Nota from Rajya Sabha polls. So Nota is none of the above. So Center does not want none of the above for Rajya Sabha polls. So this is also important. Then page 11 has coverage on NRC, the front page news. Then on page 12, you have this news: parliamentary panel to probe UK-India relations. So in context of UK-India relations, this is important. Then here you have this news: US eases export controls on India. So US-India relations, especially with respect to trade, this is important. Then on the business page, you have this news here: Draft e-commerce policy will be in line with Sri Krishna panel proposals. And this is bubble risk dues as unsecured loans rise. So this is regarding loans in the country too. So the rise of unsecured loans is a huge concern because retail credit as such given is high. So unsecured loans provided is high. So it may result into a bubble which may be collapsing. So that is important. And this is Swelect uses sun air to make drinking water. So solar panels here using the sun and air. So out of air the water vapor has been converted into drinking water. So this is how it is done. So this is important. And on the last page you have this news: stem cells will now fight Parkinson's. So researchers are now using stem cells for fighting various diseases. So this is an important news. You should know everything about stem cells, pluripotent stem cells, induced pluripotent stem cells, iPS cells, how diseases can be fought, what is Parkinson's, and the details are important. So these are the important headlines from the Hindu newspaper for today. For detailed coverage of current affairs, you can enroll for our course. You can see the details provided here. And on a daily basis on our website aashah.com, you have the current affairs uploaded along with the PDF by the end of the day. So you can download the PDF from our website too in the current affairs section. So that is it. Thank you.